There's no more important sector, in my opinion, than manufacturing. Try to get through the day without a manufactured product. You can't. Accelerated Manufacturing Brokers specializes in the sale of lower middle market manufacturing companies. There are plenty of other people that sell manufacturing companies. I know of no other that sells them nationally, and also they're not exclusive to manufacturing. We don't want to be all things to all people. We want to do one thing and do it with absolute excellence.
Accelerating Manufacturing Brokers, we are nationally recognized. We're the best at what we do because we actually care about the manufacturing industry, and we want to promote an expansion and acquisitions within to help grow what we know and love.
It's imperative to have someone that specializes in manufacturing. Our clients are family-run, founder-led. They want to understand that these jobs are going to remain in the community. They want to know that their employees are going to have future opportunity and possibly more opportunity than they would have otherwise had. All of that speaks into a logical buyer.
We qualify them financially and professionally. We know that somebody in one industry and how they relate to other industries would make a better fit.
We want to give manufacturers peace of mind through the process. We manage every single part of this.
No matter where you are, we make sure that we're with our clients. We support them at every meeting. We'll go the extra mile. We'll go the distance.
We have the best success rate in the industry, and that's because if I'm accepting you as a client, we are going to sell your manufacturing company.